హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు ఎస్పీ మైండ్ ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం పేపర్ కోడ్ 148 అకౌంట్ టెస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఆఫ్ లోకల్ బాడీస్ మే 2017 మోడల్ పేపర్ చూద్దాం. Honorarium is a recurring or non-recurring payment granted to a government servant for special work of an occasional or intermittent character paid from the consolidated fund of state. The month defined under FRs at FR 918. To calculate average cost of a post of the following formula will be used. Average cost is equal to minimum plus maximum minus minimum into 3/4 minus x by 60, where x means length of time scale minus 5. Fundamental rules came into force with effective from 1/1/1922. Fundamental rules shall not be modified or replaced by the governor under Article 309 of Constitution of India to the disadvantage of any person already in service except in respect of matters relating to the age of superannuation. Answer FR 2. Fundamental Rule 2. The pay of the employee who was sanctioned SPP-IB will be initially fixed under FR 22A1, subclass A, subclass 1. A government servant whose date of retirement is 31/5/2017 and got promotion on 1/4/2016, if he draws the present increment from 1/3/2016, which option is beneficial to him if he drawing pay in SPP 1A scale? Date of promotion. Which of the following is not compensatory allowance? Daily allowance is not a compensatory allowance. If a government servant on leave for 30 days was transferred and posted to foreign service after completion of 22 days leave, he ceases from the date of such transfer to be on leave and to draw leave salary. FR 112. The leave salary contribution will be collected for the employee and foreign service on basic pay of employee. The recoveries to be made in respect of the additional establishment are all the above. Means average cost plus special pay and Darren's allowance based on the average cost, HRE and CCA based on the average cost, leave salary contribution and pensionary contribution, all the above. If a government servant joined a service temporarily on 21/8/2016, what would be credit available in EL account as on 30/4/2017? 13 days. P means a recurring or non-recurring payment to a government servant from a source other than the consolidated fund of the state, whether made directly to the government servant or through the intermediary of the government. What is the authority? FR 9, subclass 6A. FR 9/22 defines permanent post. A government employee may be required to subscribe to a provident fund, a family pension fund, or other similar fund in accordance with such rules as may be by order prescribed. This is as per dash FR 16. An employee joined into government service on 30/3/2016. His next date of increment accrues on 1/3/2017. FR 22B fixation will be done by the head of office or DDO shall fix by adopting the method which may be most beneficial to the employee. When an employee reaches a maximum of time scale and exhausts all the stagnation increments, Is he eligible for pay fixation under FR? No, he is not eligible for fixation under FR 22B. His pay should be fixed under FR 22. Subclass J, Subclass 1 read with FR 31, Subclass 2. Any employee fixation was done under FR 22B from the date of promotion when his next increment will be released dash. After completion of 1 year from the first of the month in which month he got promotion. To ensure prompt withdrawal of increment, a register has to be maintained as per dash. Note 3 appended to SR 13 of TR 16. Which type of a leave will be sanctioned to a government servant under suspension? No leave will be sanctioned to those under suspension. If any employee acquitted from charges or criminal proceedings, areas eligible from which date? From the date of acquittal only. Which service of the following count for increment? Service rendered in foreign service. What would be the CCA payable to the government servant under suspension with headquarters at Vijayawada while drawing a pay of 69,750 rupees, 700 rupees? The maximum subsistence allowance payable to a government servant under suspension is 75% of the basic pay. What is the CCA admissible to a government servant who is shifted to Vijayawada from Hyderabad during Jan 2017 and drawing a pay of 36,070 rupees? Answer is 700 rupees. Who have not to be kept in FAC of another post? All the above means chowkidars, record assistants, drivers. The competent authority to issue medical certificate to avail leave on health grounds to a non-gazetted officer is registered medical practitioner. To appoint to SPB 1B scale, an employee has to complete 18 years incremental service. Who is competent authority to count EOL and medical certificate beyond 6 months for the sanction of increment by DDO? Government. If a government employee relieved an AN of a Friday before second Saturday, the joining time will be Saturday. If a government employee transferred from one foreign service to another foreign service, the transit pay and allowances will be paid by present foreign employer. What is the minimum pension contribution to be collected from the foreign employer? 4%. Special pay means in addition to the emoluments of the post or of a government servant granted in consideration of the specially arduous nature of the duties or a specific addition to the work or responsibility. What is the authority? FR 9 of 25. As per note 2 under FR 18, EOL to the extent of dash counts as qualifying service when taken on medical certificate for prosecuting higher technical studies, 36 months. Calculate the period of a leave in months and days of a government servant who availed EOL on private affairs from 9/1/2017 to 8/3/2017, 2 months 1 day. A government servant was sanctioned leave not due for 35 days on 15/2/2015 and who entered into service on regular basis on 24/3/2010. What would be the half pay leave account balance as on 30/4/2017? Answer 25 days. A government servant has applied for a sanction of a half pay leave in the leave of full pay for treatment of TB for 50 days. The sanctioning authority sanctioned the same as he has availed 170 days only after such a leave. Comment on it. The action of the sanctioning authority is not correct as the TB was removed from the existing list of diseases for sanction of such a leave. Special disability leave will be sanctioned under FR 83. HPL available in a government employee account as on 31/5/2017 who joined in service regularly on 2/3/2013. He was not availed any leave from his credit. 80. Commuted leave will be sanctioned on dash medical certificate only. If an employee invalidated while availing a leave not due, the leave salary need not be recovered. Dash may be granted to government servant if he has no leave at his credit, or if he requests in writing for sanction of such a leave even though he has a leave at credit. Extraordinary leave. AP Leave Rules 1933 incorporated under Annexure 3 of FR. While calculating HPL, the following will not be considered. 1 and 2. The is not suspension not treated as duty. Which of the following is a traveling allowance? Disturbance allowance. At TA rules, grade 1 employs those who are drawing pay in the scale of 49,872, 1,07,700 and above. Revised rate of a DA admissible to grade 3 employee traveled outside the state is 300 rupees. To travel outside the state on air, HOD can permit following employees: Deputy Director. Lodging charges admissible to grade 1 employee visiting Kolkata on official tour is 1300 rupees. What are the loading, packing or unloading, unpacking charges admissible to grade 1 employee transferred outside the zone? 1500 rupees at each end. If either boarding or lodging were provided at government expenses, DA admissible is 50%. Each service charges admissible for booking train tickets online as admissible. If journey is performed by bus beyond 8 km connected by train, he is entitled for the actual bus fare paid or the railway fare of the entitled class, whichever is less. What is the authority? Rule 23 subclass 1. If journey is performed beyond 8 km between stations unconnected by train and public conveyance from the headquarters, the mileage allowance should be claimed as per the rates. What is the rate for grade 2 officer in the scale of 37,100 to 91,450 for travelling on his own scooter? 5 rupees per kilometer. What is the DA admissible to the above employee if he performed journey for 23 hours in total? He is not eligible for any DA. In case where a place visited is less than 8 km in a straight line but more than 8 km by practicable route to it, DA may be admitted by that route. What is the authority? Rule 39 subclass 2. What is DA admissible for grade 1 officer who visited New Delhi and due to train delay of 4 hours? His absence from the headquarters is 3 days 8 hours. What is the DA admissible? 3 DAs only. DA rates revised in RPS 2015 are applicable on dash. All the above means official tour only, transfer only, LTC only. A government servant who was not permitted to avail LTC during 2014 to go to hometown as he was charged with a fraudulent claim of LTC during 2012. Later, he was fully exonerated of that charge. He applied for LTC to go to hometown in October 2016 and anywhere in the state in November 2016, whose date of retirement is 31/12/2016. Is it permissible? Permissible as per Rule 14B of Annexure 7 of AP Civil Service Travelling Allowance Rules 1996. Where the family members of a government employee is living away from the employee and the concession is not being availed by the family in any block period, the government employee making a declaration to that effect is eligible to avail the concession of a visiting hometown once in every calendar year. Is it correct? Yes. As per Rule 11 subclass F of LTC rules, she can avail LTC every year. On transfer, if an employee performed journey in entitled class between the places connected by rail, he is eligible for 2 fares of entitled class. What is the authority? Rule 56(1)(I) of TA rules. If a government servant on a transfer from one foreign service to another foreign service who has to bear the TTA claim of the employee or an employer to whom he is lent. Disturbance allowance or lump sum transfer grant will be paid to those transferred outside the state. If LTC bill submitted after 30 days of a return journey, what would be the eligible amount? 85%. As per revised rates, the mileage allowance to use own motor car is 13 rupees per kilometer. An employee travelled 32 kilometers to and fro from headquarters on official tour in his own car. What would be TA admissible to him if he is drawing pay in the scale of 40,000 to 72, 93,780, 300 rupees? What is the limit of a conveyance charges payable from airport or railway station to guest house and vice versa situated at the places outside the state? No limit is subject to the production of voucher or certificate of payment. Cancellation of charges are reimbursable if the journey was cancelled in the public interest. The authority is Rule 27, Subclass 5 of TA rules. On transfer for the journeys performed by the personal servants between the places not connected by train and road, the personal servants shall be included as family members for the purpose of calculating mileage allowance. What is the authority? Rule 62 subclass 5 of TA rules. If more than one claimant in the bills is available, the claim of each claimant should be rounded off. Dash Article 320 of APFC Volume 1. TTA not admissible when all the above. If the transfer is made at request, if there is no change of residence on transfer, if transfer is made when returning from leave of any kind of exceeding 4 months. For claiming TTA, the following are not treated as a family members of employee who is transferred from one place to another, adopted or stepfather and mother. A journey on transfer is held to begin or end at the actual residence of the government servant concerned. The authority for the same is Rule 22 of TA rules. As per Rule 61 of TA rules, government employee who is entitled to maintain personal conveyance as per Annexure 4 may draw the actual cost of transporting them by passenger train provided the distance travelled exceed 150 kilometers. If advance drawn for LTC was misused or abused or delay in refunding unutilized portion is proved, the penalty of the entire amount of the unutilized advance along with the penal interest at dash per annum shall be recovered in the one lump sum 18%. A treasury officer shall not honor a claim which he considers to be disputable. He shall require the claimant to refer to the Accountant General. What is the authority? TR 18 Part 1. As per TR 31, if a treasury officer receives intimation from the dash, the monies have been incorrectly withdrawn and that a certain sum should be recovered from a dash, he shall effect the recovery without delay and without regard to any correspondence undertaken or contemplated with reference to the retrenchment order. Accountant General, Drawing Officer. Payments under special authorization of the district collector is available under TR 27. A government servant who received any monies on behalf of the government shall receive them only in one or more of the following forms: legal tender coin, legal tender currency or bank notes, reserve bank drafts drawn on the treasury with which the government servant deals and made payable to him, crossed checks drawn on a bank which is member of clearing house in city, checks, pay orders, demand drafts and deposit call receipts issued by the cooperative marketing societies. What is the authority for the above? SR1 under TR 10. As per GOMS number 193, Finance TFR Department dated 29/2014, what are the contingent expenditure allowed to pay from own funds and get reimbursement to avoid disconnection? 1 and 2 means cell phone charges, land phone charges. As per Instruction 18 under TR 10, no challan is necessary in respect of payment by government servant for service postage stamps. SR4 under TR11 deals with dash verification of treasury balance when there is a chance of treasury officer. Deductions made in bills shall, where required by the rules relating to such a deductions, example provident funds, state life insurance fund, postal life insurance, etc., be supported by schedules in the prescribed form detailing the deductions made. What is the authority? SR21 under TR16. SR2T under TR16 deals with dash furnishing of a specimen signatures to bank and treasury when there is a change of incumbent. Procedure to be followed if office copy of bill is lost before or after payment was explained in SR2R under TR16. SR14 under TR16 deals with arrears bill. Procedure for a first draw pay was explained in SR12 under TR16. SR19 under TR16 explains about the preparation of contingent bill. Checks drawn in favor of government servants under departments in settlement of a government dues shall always be crossed account payee only, not negotiable. The authority is SR42 subclass J. SR50 under TR16 deals with lost checks. Payment of a pension to labor pensions detailed in SR70 under TR16. A pension shall be payable for the day of pensioner's death, irrespective of the hour at which death takes place. SR88 under TR16. When a refund of a revenue is to be remitted by money order, the payment to the post office should be made by a check drawn on the treasury or sub-treasury in favor of a postmaster. What is the authority? Instruction 44 under TR16. SR1 under TR32 deals with dash safe custody of monies received from treasury. Instruction 1 under TR32 deals with dash custody of vouchers and acquaintances. Instruction 2 under Part 3, Chapter 4 explains about main clauses of local funds. As per SR 86A under TR16, if a pension payable in India remains undrawn for more than dash year, the pension shall case to be payable 1 year. Here, more than 1 year answer. 1. Treasury bill form to be used for repayment of a core deposits is APTC Form 64. Permanent advance register to be maintained in dash APTC Form 89. Cash book to be maintained in APTC Form 5. So ఇది May 2017 పేపర్ కోడ్ 148. సో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం ఇంకో మోడల్ పేపర్ చూద్దాం. వ్యూవర్స్ మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.